We didn't have anything like this on the East Coast when I was a kid. We used to see them in the magazines, and they were huge out west, of course, where all the sand dunes are. If you could run these things in snow, yeah, we'd have had a lot of them here in New York. Everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Today we have the 2020 Hot Wheels Team Transports for you. Got these in the mail just the other day, and this is the J release. So let's get right to it. First one up, number 23. I'm going to move these over here. Number 23 is the Volkswagen Baja Bug Wide Open. And the hauler that's hauling it looks like an old Dodge. Those are pretty cool. This is an open back hauler, of course, as you can see, got lots of tires up on the top. And this Volkswagen looks amazing. Really looks cool. And the tires on this thing look really knobby too. Look like you can pretty much go anywhere, whether it's in the mud or in the sand with this thing. It's got some really big knobs on it, and it's got some really good ground clearance too. So I definitely think you could tear up the dunes and actually go anywhere you want with this thing. We didn't have anything like this on the East Coast when I was a kid. We used to see them in the magazines, and they were huge out west, of course, where all the sand dunes are. If you could run these things in snow, yeah. We'd have had a lot of them here in New York. But no, this thing is really cool. You can see the big header on the back, chrome engine. It's got a cage around the engine, which is a good idea. Got a big push bar on the front. I'm sure that's really not for pushing too much stuff, probably for getting pulled out of bad places that it shouldn't have been. But yeah, this thing is really cool. Nicely done in white enamel. The truck matches really well. And that's basically it. This thing is a really cool looking setup. If you're into the team transports, as I am, and a lot of other people are, this is definitely one to look for. Next one up is number 24. And that is Corvette setup. Custom Corvette Stingray Coupe with a Fleet Flyer. Now, the car is looks like a 64, maybe 65 Corvette. It's got, I really can't see, and I'm not going to rip this baby open, but you can see that it's got the scca wheels on it in gray on the front. And I also see that it has 65 on the hood and the side. So I'm going to guess that it's a 65 Corvette. And it looks like it's definitely set up for scca road racing. Really lots of chrome. Nice looking car. The hauler itself says Corvette on the side. Got Goodyear up there also. And it's a cab over. And there's lots and lots of room in there for that Corvette. And lots of parts. So it is really nice. There you go. Custom Corvette Stingray Coupe with the Fleet Flyer number 24. Next one up. And a lot of people are going bananas over this one, and I can see why. Everything in here, this is a really good release. This is a 68 Dodge Dart with a Horizon hauler. And of course, one, it's done in pink pearl. Two, it is a Hemi Dart. And it's got the Hemi scoop on it, the whole deal. And it looks really good. Nice white interior to it. The car looks like, once you get to the drag strip, unload this baby and you're going to go fast, real fast. But yeah, the whole thing looks really nice. It says swinging thing on the side there. And that's probably because it was Dart Swinger, maybe? You know. Now this Hemi Dart looks like it might have been a stock car. When I first saw it, I thought it was a stock car instead of a drag car. The white wheels look like Grand National wheels. Actually, used to have a guy here, Noki Rolowitz, Burton Wheelworks, out in Vernon, New York. And he would make all the Grand National stock car wheels. Everybody would come to buy his wheels. Really cool guy too. Super engineering kind of guy. He used to call himself Polish engineering. Everything he did had a lot of really cool stuff. Yeah, Noki was a pretty cool guy. Anything that he needed, he would make. I remember one of his lathes, actually two of his lathes, that he would make the wheels in, because he had to cut the centers out and then weld new centers into the rim. He actually used transmissions to change the gears for the, to change the speed in the lathe. And I thought it was amazing. I was a 17-year-old kid. And I just watched all the cool stuff that he made. And he made a big impact on my life. So, yeah, Noki Rolowitz, pretty cool guy. Burton Wheelworks out in Vernon, New York. But, yeah, this looks like a stock car hauler. It's got big white, wide wheels on the hauler. And, again, the car has white wheels that look like Grand National, early, slotted steel wheels on it. So that's why it made it look like a stock car to me. But it's a drag car. It's a Hemi Dart, and it looks really, really nice. It's got nice detail on the grill. You can see the headlights are done up and the directionals also. So it's really a good looking car. But yeah, that is really, really nice. Like I said, all three of these in this release are definitely going to be highly sought after. You got the Baja Bug guys, you got the Corvette guys, and you got the Mopar guys with their Hemi Dart. So if you see these, don't pass them up if you want them, because they're not going to be there the next time you go into the store. There have been a bunch of them that are out there. Like this one here, this came in that box also. This is number 16, the Mazda 787B with the Sakura Sprinter. Some of these things, yeah, they sit on the pegs for a while, but I don't think these guys are going to be sitting, for long, because they are really, a niche kind of thing. The Volkswagen guys, Corvette guys, and the Mopar guys. So, like I said, you see them at the store, make sure you get them. And you know what? If you want them and you can't get them at the store, there's always a secondary, not secondary market, but the guys that you can pre-order from, and places like ANJToys.com. They have a list where you can order them, pre-order them, say, hey, I want them before they come out, and boom, they're at your door as soon as they come out. Please leave a comment, let us know what you thought of these things, and please subscribe, please tell your friends, and of course, please be kind to one another. So until the next time we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV, hopefully we'll see you soon. Hopefully at a convention real soon. Hopefully all this COVID-19 stuff is over and done with. All right, you guys be good. Bye-bye.